Your bathroom remodel is more than just picking tile in a new vanity. The contractor you choose will make all the difference in how smoothly the project runs and how happy you are with the final result. First, clarify your goals and budget. What kind of remodel do you want? Is it a simple refresh, a mid-level upgrade, or a full gut job? Knowing your budget is crucial. How much are you prepared to spend? This helps you find a contractor who can meet your needs without breaking the bank. Next, search and vet local contractors. Start with online reviews, ask for local referrals, and check trade associations. Make sure to verify their credentials, licensing, and insurance in your state. This protects you and ensures you're hiring a professional. Look at their portfolios of completed bathroom projects. Visuals of contractor websites and review screenshots can help you gauge their work. Now, it's time to interview and compare contractors. Ask questions like, how many bathroom remodels have you done this year? Inquire about who will manage your project on site and what's included in the quote. This clarity is essential for a smooth process. Don't forget to ask about change orders. What happens if unexpected issues arise? Get written bids from 2-3 contractors and compare them side by side. This will help you make an informed decision. Review the contract details carefully. A detailed contract should outline the scope of work, schedule, payment terms, and materials list. Make sure it includes cleanup responsibilities and warranty information. Verbal promises aren't enough. Get it in writing. Watch for red flags during your search. Unrealistically low bids or high upfront payments can be warning signs. If a contractor avoids giving a timeline or uses high-pressure sales tactics, it's time to walk away. Set your expectations for the remodel. Dust, noise, and unforeseen issues are common, especially in older homes. To wrap up, remember to define your project, vet contractors, compare bids, and sign a detailed contract. Keep an eye out for red flags, and then you're ready to start your remodel. This week, reach out to 2-3 local bathroom remodelers, ask the right questions, and make your best choice.